Yeah, back again, another Animoji unboxing. So this time I basically try to unbox the earpad, another earpad replacement for my customer service Logitech H390 headset, which basically this time is much bigger. It probably has the same exact size like the original earpad or earbud or whatever that is. So, but yeah, it turns out the quality for the mounting, perhaps for the mounting of the earpad, is pretty much so bad. So when I basically try to force install this earpad into the headset, it's already thrown off like the original earpad that's already used for many years, for more than 3 years perhaps. And it turns out if I basically try to force install the previous earpad that I thought it was not compatible, it turns out it's just compatible, because previously I didn't know to install it, the trick to install it, which is basically need to be flipped over first and then try to move around the flip over piece by piece until it's finally all covered.